Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to block pop-up ads on Safari on iPhone. Now, we all hate pop-up ads, so in this video, let me just show you how to do it. So go to your settings, and then on settings, as you can see, I just started searching for Safari. So just search for Safari and click on the second icon, not on the first icon, because first icon will lead you to Apple ID. So click on second one. Here, if you scroll down, you will see that you have an option to block pop-ups, right? So you can actually block pop-ups this way, or if you're on Mac or maybe on, your computer, then you can go to your settings from Safari, right? Go to Safari, go to settings, and then click block pop-ups. It should be there in the settings somewhere. So that's pretty much it, right? You don't have to, go within Safari. Here you can also clear history and website data and a lot of other things that are advanced. But yeah, you just need to click block pop-up ads or block pop-ups, and then they will be blocked. If we switch it off, they will be unblocked. So we want them to be blocked, so we will put it right here. So that's pretty much it. Really simple, really straightforward, right? If you want to see more videos on Apple and iPhone products and everything like that and tutorials, visit our channel for more. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.